It's me, it's Jerome. As you can see, I still, day 5 after hip surgery, have the hiccups, which is driving me insane, insane. So I'm gonna keep this very brief and just let you guys know that my physical therapist was here today, and they gave me a good little workout to see where my mobility is at, to try to understand why my mobility is not where it should be, given the fact that I'd already had the knee replacement and everything done. So we're kind of at a loss, and I'm gonna have to wait basically until tomorrow, which is Monday, to talk to the orthopedic surgeon to find out what's going on. Um, I'm frustrated, to say the least. I'm frustrated. Um, I'm trying to stay positive and upbeat because I know that this too shall pass. I know it. You know what I mean? I know it. But it's just like all right already, and they're talking a month of rehab. So it's just a lot. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. So I'm gonna take a lot, and I'm just gonna put all those lemons in the blender and make it into lemonade. Right? That's what I'm gonna do. Cause tough times don't last, but tough people do, and I'm one tough motherfucker. So you guys out there, just remember, stay positive, okay? And don't ever be sorry. Be fierce. Take care.